The first item of our first show last September, we proved that a maniac with $90 at his disposal could have himself the same kind of shoot-in that Whitman staged in Austin, and the law does virtually nothing to prevent this happening. In Canada, this 15-year-old boy is not allowed to enter a bar and buy a drink, yet he can walk into a store and buy a gun. The only regulation is that he must give his name and address, but who's to say that it is the correct one?
Bill?
The sales clerk hadn't the slightest idea the boy was a plant, and he went ahead and sold him a German Army Mauser, a telescopic sight, and a box of shells for just a little over $90. Then the boy wrapped the gun, taking care not to conceal its shape, and he headed for the Toronto City Hall, a dramatic roost for any would-be sniper. Police on guard outside didn't even give him a second glance. Inside, one or two city employees or sightseers noticed the boy and his package with mild curiosity, but nobody questioned him. So 2 elevator rides later, our make-believe sniper arrived on the observation tower, 27 stories above one of the busiest intersections in the city. It was only when he began to unwrap the gun that people noticed him, and possibly by then it would have been too late. Down below, unsuspecting people about their business, any one of them a potential victim of the absence of meaningful firearm laws.